शङ्करसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरीमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome every one of you who are sitting with us all over the world at this moment. Today I will continue to expand on completions, some more intricate details of completions, intricacy, intricate details you need to know about completion. आज मैं पूर्णत्व इस विषय पर अपना प्रवचन जारी रखूंगा। Understand? Only after completion you become integrated, means one person. Only after completion you become one person. Till then you are multiple personality. Because you are multiple personality, you do not know what is good, what is bad. Many times you attract disease thinking that is much better than living with these fellows. No, really. Understand? You attract many times diseases to escape from the situations. I tell you, relationship problems directly create diseases in the body. Diseases directly create depression in the body. Depression directly quickens death of your life. It is all completely interconnected. How you feel about you, if that is a constant shivering, how you feel about you is a constant unstable fear or a constant shivering inside you, then simply you can expect disease, depression, everything which should not come in your life. इस समझिए पूर्णत्व के बाद ही आप एक संपूर्ण व्यक्ति बनते हैं। तब तक आप अनेक व्यक्तित्व एक शरीर में हैं, इसीलिए आप ये भी नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि आपके लिए क्या अच्छा है और क्या बुरा। आप बीमारी भी इसी तरह आकर्षित करते हैं। स्थिति से भागने के लिए संबंधों में समस्या होना आपके शरीर में बीमारी लाती है। बीमारी आप में उदासी लाती है। उदासी आपकी मृत्यु को निकट लाती है। When you have a multiple personality, unintegrated being, what you attract, not only you do not know why you attract that. People come and ask me, why me? Why me? Why me? Why did I attract this disease? There are more bad people. Why I am attracting? I am such a good person. I never thought and did anything wrong to anybody. Understand? It is nothing to do with good or bad, because good or bad is certified by society. That certificate does not get accepted by cosmos. Whether you are integrated or not is only accepted by cosmos. Understand? Whether you are integrated or not only is accepted by cosmos. Good or bad is not accepted by cosmos. जब आप में अनेक व्यक्तित्व है, जब आप संपूर्ति में नहीं है, आप जानते ही नहीं कि आप किसी चीज, किसी बीमारी को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करते हैं. Somebody may be bad, but he is integrated. What to do? You may be good, but you are disintegrated. So a disintegrated person neither knows what he is attracting nor knows why he is attracting, or can be clear. Integrity is absolute. Good and bad is decided by society. Integrity is absolute. Good and bad is decided by society. Integrity does not change with society, age, time, or with anything. Integrity is not social ethics, it is spiritual principle. It is not even a spiritual value, it is a spiritual principle. Till you are integrated, you do not know and you will not know what you are attracting in your life. Only when you are complete, integrated, you will even know about where you are in life. What is life? Good and bad keeps changing with age, time, and society. But integrity is absolute. It is there forever. ध्यान से सुनिए. जो व्यक्ति संपूर्ति में नहीं है, वो ना तो ये जानता है कि वो अपने जीवन में क्या आकर्षित कर रहा है और क्यों उसे आकर्षित कर रहा है. संपूर्ति एक आध्यात्मिक सिद्धांत है. समाज के अच्छाइयों और बुराइयों से ऊपर है. केवल जब आप पूर्णत्व में हैं, आप ये भी जान सकते हैं कि जीवन क्या है और आप जीवन में क्या है. Only when you are complete, you will be integrated. Only when you are complete, you will become authentic. Without completing, you do not know which part of you should expand. Which part of you is your mamakara. Instead of enriching you, you will be enriching on your parasites. The parasites which are sitting on you. Instead of enriching and consciously building your mamakara, you will be enriching your unconscious root patterns. Unconscious root patterns. I tell you, no wealth is a wealth if you are not integrated. No energy is energy if you are not integrated. Anything comes in life will not have its positive impact on you if you are not integrated. केवल जब आप पूर्णत्व में हैं, आप श्रद्धा का अनुभव कर सकते हैं. जब आप ये भी नहीं जानते हैं कि आपका ममकार क्या है, आप कैसे उसका विस्तार कर पाएंगे. विस्तार के नाम पर आप शायद अपनी अचेत मूल विचारधाराओं को विस्तारित कर रहे होंगे. Understand? Completion is the basic need. How many hours I may sit and talk, you may sit and spend your time here. One more thing, unless you start completion, you will not even be able to maintain listening. Even listening is achieved with completion. Without completion, even listening will be difficult. With a lot of difficulty, you have to force yourself. Literally like a putting a stick between both the eyelids so that it doesn't close. With completion, listening starts. With completion, life starts. Without completion, first of all, you won't be able to listen. And even if you listen, never integrity starts, authenticity starts, responsibility starts, and enriching starts. पूर्णत्व और संपूर्ति के बिना आपके जीवन में जो भी आता है, आप उसका सकारात्मक असर नहीं देख पाएंगे. पूर्णत्व के बिना आप सुन भी नहीं पाएंगे. पूर्णत्व एक मौलिक बुनियादी आवश्यकता है. Look in your life. Completion is the most important aspect of cosmos. Understand? Your completion is not just experienced by you. Your completion is celebrated by cosmos. When every individual completes, cosmos feels complete through you. Cosmos celebrates. It feels, wow, now I am complete. Now I am complete. Now I am complete. Cosmos feels, wow. Understand, only when you complete, you learn what is integrity, and only then you will know how to be authentic. What is authenticity? And only then you will know what is responsibility. Responsibility starts only after you complete. Only after completion, responsibility starts. Only after completion, integrity starts, responsibility starts, enriching starts, authenticity starts. जब हर व्यक्ति पूर्णत्व का अनुभव करता है, ब्रह्मांड स्वयं पूर्णत्व का अनुभव करता है, उसका आनंद उठाता है, उत्सव मनाता है. पूर्णत्व के बाद ही संपूर्ति, श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व आरंभ होते हैं. Understand? How many hours you may listen these words? Integrity, integrity, integrity. Authenticity, authenticity, authenticity. Responsibility, responsibility, responsibility. But you will neither catch it nor get it. You will neither catch it nor get it. From just the word, only after you complete, only after the completion, you will really know the meaning of integrity. You will see suddenly new understanding about integrity evolves in you. The very understanding you have about integrity goes to the next level. The understanding you carry about authenticity moves to next level. Responsibility and enriching you carry, you cognize, goes to the next level. Get it? integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. All the four will become reality in you only after completion. It is like once you complete, like a screen opening. Till the screen opens, whoever is on the other side, you will not get it. Till the screen opens, whoever may be on the other side, you will not get it. Same way, till the completion happens, you will not know really about integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Only with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching, you will start living. So with completion, life starts. अब चाहे कितनी ही घंटी संपूर्ति, श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व इन शब्दों को बार बार सुनेंगे, आप कभी इनका अर्थ नहीं समझ पाएंगे जब तक आप पूर्णत्व का अनुभव नहीं करते हैं। पूर्णत्व के बाद आप देखेंगे कि आप संपूर्ति, श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व इन सभी का भिन्न रूप से अनुभूति करते हैं। When you complete, only then whole day you will start perceiving your personality as integrated single being flowing in one direction. Incomplete being is like a broken river. You become streams. End of the day you may dry up. Even if water gushes in you, it won't be useful for you or the society. Broken streams are not directly useful to life. When you are in integrity, life happens to you as one. You make life happen to others as one. Without that, life doesn't happen. Instead of becoming authentic in your being, you will become authentic in your root patterns. I have one sannyasi in my sangha. Once in 3 months, he will say, I am leaving. No advice will work on him. If somebody shouts at him more loudly, then he will keep quiet. That is his pattern. He will say, I am leaving. You don't need to console him. Nobody needs to console him. Why do you want to leave? Why don't you meditate, continue your sadhana, complete? No. Just if somebody shouts at him for some reason, he will settle down. No, I am here. So unfortunate sometimes, people give strength to the root patterns instead of being. जब आप संपूर्ण होते हैं, तभी आप एक व्यक्तित्व होने का अनुभव करेंगे, तभी आप एक विशाल नदी की तरह होंगे। अपूर्ण व्यक्ति भिन्न भिन्न धाराओं की तरह है, जो ना तो स्वयं के लिए उपयोगी है और ना ही दूसरों के लिए। Feeling responsible. Only after you complete, you will feel responsible. Otherwise, as a disintegrated beings, sometime you will feel responsible, sometime you won't feel responsible. Only after completion, you become a solid being on which all these 4 principles can be start functioning. Till then, these 4 principles cannot start functioning in you. Integrity will become part of your life when you enlighten your being with completion. Understand this word. I am using the word enlightening your being with completion. Because completion literally enlightens you, awakens the new dimension of you for you. Completion makes you live the whole life. Completion allows you to eat while you eat, sleep while you sleep. Eat while you eat, sleep while you sleep. Completion is a very important component. I can say first and last component for enlightenment. आप उत्तरदायित्व का अनुभव तभी कर सकते हैं जब आप संपूर्ण हैं, जब आप अपूर्ण हैं। आप कभी कभी उत्तरदायित्व का अनुभव करेंगे और शेष क्षणों में आप उत्तरदायित्व नहीं अनुभव कर पाएंगे। संपूर्ति आपके जीवन का भाग तभी बन सकते हैं जब आप पूर्णत्व के द्वारा आपकी जीवन मुक्ति को जागृत करते हैं। I have seen how when you take responsibility after completion, you just explode in auspiciousness. See, some people build one school and they just know the knack, and immediately the franchising starts. In 10 years they have 1,000 school. But some people build a school for whole 10 years, they just sit with the same school, number of students going down. When you complete and take the responsibility, life brings auspiciousness. Life supports you. If you don't complete, even if you take responsibility, it is like a climbing uphill. You will be waiting to give up on you and others. Sometime, almost on the top, you give up. That is too dangerous. So complete every night before sleeping. Spend time on completion. Unless you complete, life doesn't start for you. Integrity doesn't start for you. Responsibility doesn't start for you. Enriching doesn't start for you. मैंने देखा है जब आप पूर्णत्व के बाद उत्तरदायित्व उठाते हैं, जीवन आपकी सहायता करता है, आपका जीवन मंगलमय हो जाता है। हर रात सोने के पहले पूर्णत्व के लिए अपना समय दीजिए। Every night, spend little time on completion. Every night, spend little time on working on your each root patterns. हर रात सोने के पहले अपने हर मूल विचारधारा पर काम कीजिए। There is a beautiful Zen story. Disciple asks, Master, what is the difference between you and me? Master replies, I eat when I eat, I sleep when I sleep. Only if you are complete, you can do this. Only when you are complete, you can eat while you eat, you can sleep while you sleep. Unless you are complete, you can't eat while you eat. You will be doing everything while you are eating. You won't sleep while you sleep. You will be doing everything while you sleep. Eat while you eat. Sleep while you sleep. Completion is enlightenment. Completion is auspiciousness. Completion is consciousness. Complete, you will become more conscious. Complete, you will become more auspicious. Complete, you will have enlightenment. Complete, you will have life. एक सुंदर ज़ेन कथा है। शिष्य गुरु से पूछता है कि आप में और मुझ में क्या अंतर है। गुरु कहते हैं कि मैं जब खाता हूँ मैं केवल का रहा हूँ, मैं जब सोता हूँ मैं केवल सो रहा हूँ। केवल पूर्णत्व स्थिति में आप ये कर पाएंगे। पूर्णत्व कीजिए और आप मंगलमय हो जाएंगे। अंडरस्टैंड द लाइफ, अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रेंथ. You will stop feeling powerlessness only after completion. Till completion, every moment of your life, in some way or other, you will have that shivering, feeling powerlessness continuously in you. Feeling powerless happens because you are broken to pieces. Integrity makes you feel powerful, strong. Strength happens in you with integrity. Strength happens in you with integrity. Knowledge happens in you with integrity. Energy happens in you with integrity. Power happens in you with integrity. Everything good happens in you with integrity, but integrity happens in you only with completion. So completion and listening are the base foundation on which these four principles stand as a pillar, and the space of miracles stands as a roof, enlightenment as a kalash. This is a building of Jivan Mukti. Completion and listening is the foundation. Completion and listening is foundation. Without this foundation, nothing is possible. So learn to find your root pattern and complete. 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 Essence of today's satsang is completion. Completion is the real enriching you will do to you and to others. Completion, जीवन को समझिए, उसकी शक्ति को समझिए. जब तक आप अपूर्ण हैं, आप शक्तिहीनता का अनुभव करेंगे. आप लगातार एक कंपन का अनुभव करेंगे. संपूर्ति ही आपको शक्तिशाली होने का अनुभव देती है, ज्ञान का अनुभव देती है, जीव ऊर्जा का अनुभव देती है. किंतु आप संपूर्ति का अनुभव पूर्णत्व के बाद ही कर सकते हैं. कर सकते हैं. पूर्णत्व और सुना जीवन की बुनियाद है. तभी आप चार तत्वों को जी पाएंगे. जीवन मुक्ति का कलश तभी आप स्थापित कर पाएंगे.
जीवन मुक्ति प्रदम देवम क्षमापूर्णं
Paramahamsa Nityananda is a rare living incarnation, a yogi by birth. He has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English, books in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese, with translations in 26 languages are available. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 8,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services, ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world offer exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. Having meditation centers in 151 countries including Bidadi, Thiruvannamalai, Rajapalyam, Salem, Hyderabad, Varanasi, Los Angeles, Ohio, Seattle, San Jose and Phoenix. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation. A contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers. Adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, he has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands, gracing them with spiritual powers. A spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples worldwide in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Thiruvannamalai in India. A dynamic young guru who is an inspiration to thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online. A beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.